So I was sent these pots and pans from the company Jeetee. They wanted for me to show you guys a little bit of how the dynamics of these pots and pans work. So one of the biggest things about these pots and pans it's the handle. The handle is removable and you can attach it to any of their pots and pans. Which is very cool. It comes with 2 handles and 6 pots and pans. And they also sent 3 utensils, which is the brush, a spatula, and a spoon. One of the other big features for these pots and pans is the non-stick feature, which is because it's coated with granite. And I'm going to show you because I will be cooking with these tonight, and you're going to see how good they really are. It comes with, first of all, the small one. This is the smallest pot. Here is the medium-sized pot. Next is the small pan, and the lid that fits on the medium-sized pot fits on the small pan. Then we have the big pan. It's a nice size. I've already tested this one out a lot with eggs, with all the non-stick that you can think about. We put this one in the oven as well. And so yeah, that's another feature, is that these can go into the oven. And it works really well with the heat. We did chicken drumsticks with them, and I was afraid that it was going to stick, but when I cleaned it, it came off so nice. So even is very easy to clean. This one I was not expecting to be in the set, but I was really happy that it was, because it's a grill. It's a square grill and it's very nice. So that gives you one more option. I guess you can say this is the biggest pot. Also fits the same lid that fits on the biggest pan. Now the pot isn't very high. It's a low pot, I guess you could say, but it's amazing. It's really good too. It's a really good size. I like the size of this pot. The package also came with these felt covers, not covers, but like the intention for these felt things is so that you can stack the pans on top of each other, because they are advertised to be space-saving pots. So that is another feature. So out of these pots, we have the non-stick properties, the usefulness with the handles, the saving space property. It can go in the oven. It is not recommended to use in the dishwasher though. That is one thing that I researched on. I've been using these pots and pans for about a month. They're really good. And now I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to cook dinner and you're going to see how the pots actually withstand as I'm cooking. And you'll see that everything that I'm saying is true. So tonight for dinner, I'm making something that I have never made before. I'm not following any recipe. I'm just going to wing it. I'm going to use beef cut into strips, and then I'm going to use some peppers, some onions, some garlic, and I'm going to make something out of it. We're going to get our veggies in. I would love to have some green beans, but I don't have some at the moment. Or broccoli. I do have carrots though. I might cut some carrots into it. I'm going to cut these into strips. It doesn't really need to be small for the style of food that I'm making today. I remember when I was a kid, I used to talk as I would pretend to cook, as I was in a cooking show. And it's funny because now I actually talk when I'm cooking for my YouTube videos. So I guess it is kind of a cooking show. You know, editing really is a miracle, because if I wasn't editing, you guys would be watching me peel garlic for 4 minutes. Because that's what I've been doing. The video is, no, it's almost 5 minutes now. I just want to thank everybody for all the support that everyone has been giving me, because I honestly was expecting people to be like, why did you do that? Portugal's so much better. Canada's so expensive. I expected people to be like that. But honestly, everyone is so very supporting, wishing me luck, and I just appreciate all of you guys. And I really do hope that you guys stay with me on this channel, even though I'm not in the Azores anymore. I still will do my lifestyle vlogs, because that is what I like to do. And maybe, who knows, I'll do walk-arounds with me in Canada instead of the Azores now, since I'm not there. But if you guys like that content still, I can still do the walk-arounds, just in different environments. Let's talk a little bit about how these pans and pots have been holding up. I have been using these pots and pans at the time that I'm editing this video now for 2 months. And I can tell you, I have been very pleased. They have been very useful. Um, they have not ever burnt my food, and I have never had anything stuck to these pans. So that is a big plus. They are very useful for saving space, and washing them has been very easy too. Here I'm plating up the food. Everything looks delicious. I can tell you that I'm very pleased with these pots and pans. And I also will leave links down in my description box. The link, you can get these on Amazon. And Jeetee has been so kind to share a discount code for 20% off if you guys are interested in purchasing these for yourselves. Like I said, I have been enjoying these pots and pans so much, and they are suitable for all types of stoves. So it could be induction or gas, anything really. They will work on all types of stoves. And yeah, I don't think I've run into any problems with them at all till now. So I do recommend them. They're nice pots and pans to start off. Great for people who are going to university or live in a small apartment because they save a lot of space. That's one of the big things. They save a lot of space and they're very easy to clean, very reliable. I do recommend them. If you're interested in looking for something that's affordable and also, good. So here's dinner. I'm just putting everything on the table. Dinner was delicious. I will leave the recipe to this written out in the description box below as well. So if you're interested in the recipe, you can go check that out. And also, this recipe we ate with rice and salad on this night, but the day after, I put it in a sandwich, the meat in a sandwich for Luigi, and he adored it. So I think you should try out this recipe. It was the first time I made it. Totally off of my head. I did not follow any recipe, but it was delicious. And before we end the video, I did want to show you how easy it was to clean. The rice, obviously, you can't tell, but you'll see the pan in a second because, there's grease from the meat and it was red sauce. So sometimes that can be a little bit iffy, and especially because these pots and pans are white. So, but you're gonna see how easy it was. I don't even use the scrubbing part of the sponge. I always use the soft part of the sponge. So really, there's no work at all to clean these. Very nice cleanup. I really like this part of the pots and pans because it's just so easy to clean, and I don't have to scrub it off. It just comes off really nicely, and after 2 months, it's the same. So I really do enjoy these. These are great. Don't forget to check them out on Amazon if you're interested and use the discount code that's in my description box below. Okay, we are coming to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. The interactions really help my channel get out there on YouTube. YouTube puts out my video when they see that people are interacting. So that's a really big help. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already so that you don't miss future content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!